Paano nga ba ma-improve ang iyong self-esteem at confidence pag college o kaya naman pag high school ka? Yeah! Kung lalaki ka man, well, you should be. Simple lang pag lalaki ka, like workout or something. Workout, yeah. Like, come on. Kung may six-pack abs ka, then mas easy na mas maging confident. O kaya naman like, yeah, kung pogi ka, in shape, may six-pack ka, then mas magiging madali ang buhay mo sa high school man o kaya naman sa college. Yes, just work out. Yeah. Focus on V-tapers, like kung like yung sa, alam mo ba yung sa like yung hourglass shape sa babae, parang ganon, pero sa lalaki like V shape lang, like ganon. Mga IG models, mga fitness influencers, ganon. Like gayahin mo lang, then yeah, just start working out. Kung may insecurities ka man, like sa akin, look at my teeth, bro. Like, look at that. Just, I got lots of insecurities too. Just, but you deal with the hand that you're dealt. So, kung ano man ang nasa control mo, like, yung katawan mo, then you can improve. Kahit kung hindi ka man ka pugian, kahit na iba dyan. Alright, let's go. Peace!